Berryessa boys and girls, it's great to see you again. This week I have a series of books that I'm going to read to you, and I'm actually reading them also for my niece. Her name is Paloma. She's in TK, and so she goes to school just like all of you, and this is one of her favorite authors. She just loves how funny these stories are, and I hope they'll make you laugh too. So the author of this series is Mo Willems, and these are his Elephant and Piggie books. There is a Bird on Your Head is the first story we're going to read. There is a Bird on Your Head, an Elephant and Piggie book by Mo Willems. Let's take a look. We see that little bird flying around in the sky. Piggie! Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They're in love. The birds on my head are in love? They are lovebirds, said Piggie. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head, said Elephant. Why would two birds be making a nest on my head? What do you notice that they're doing? I'm afraid to ask, said Elephant. Do I have an egg on my head? One, said Piggie. Two. Three. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I think I have good news, said Piggie. The eggs are gone, said Elephant. The eggs are hatching, said Piggie. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched, said Piggie. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head. And 2 birds in a nest, said Piggie. He wouldn't want Elephant to forget that, would he? I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Said Piggie. Somewhere else, shouted Elephant. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them, said Piggie. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? Said Elephant. No problem, they said. It worked! Bye, said the chicks. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggie. Thank you very much. You are welcome, said Piggie. And let's take a look at what happened to him. And that is the end of this Elephant and Piggie book. I hope you had a lot of fun listening to their adventure. And, take a look out your window and take a look at the different birds that you see flying around. Maybe you want to draw them in a book, find out what kind of birds they are, and learn more about nests that they may make. And take a look maybe even around your house to see if you see any nests in the trees or on the roof line of your home. We look forward to learning all about it. Be sure to listen in on Thursday for the next Elephant and Piggie adventure. See you soon.